we will learn about median and representative values in this video. Values which are measure of central tendency and they represent the data are called representative values. Mean, mode and median are representative values. So earlier videos we have learnt about mean and mode. This video we'll learn about median. And you can see when you will find mean, median, mode of a given data, you will see mode is always, let's write that also, mode is always from the data and mean and median may or may not be from the data. So we are discussing median. I'll show you it can be from the data and median cannot be from the data also. So let's learn now median. After arranging the data in ascending order or descending order, middle observation or value is the median. This can be the middle observation in case number of observations are odd. This will be a middle value if the number of observations are even. So let's take an example to understand median. So first I have written arranging the data. So before finding median, you have to keep in mind that you have to arrange the data. Ascending order means arranging small to big. Descending order means arranging it from big to small. So let's take an example. I am taking odd number of terms in this. So let me take 1, 3, 5, 6, 2. Right? Now in this number of observations are 5. So n is number of observations. So I have taken odd number. So what will be my median? Let's first arrange the data. We have written before you decide the median, you have to arrange the data. So step 1 is arranging. I am doing it in ascending order. You can do it in descending order also. Arranging in ascending order. Now ascending is small to big. So smallest is 1. So I write 1. Then we have 2. Then we have 3, 5 and 6. So in this case, my median is, what is the formula we used for odd number of observations? For odd number of observations, we write n plus 1 upon 2 term. Which term we are talking about? We will find n plus 1 upon 2. What was my n in this case? N was 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of observations in this case were 5. So we write 5 plus 1 upon 2 term. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 divided by 2 will give me 3. So third term is my median. Third term, and from where this left side we check 1, 2, 3. So this is my median. So 3 is my median. Median is, so we go back to the data to check for the third term, and after arranging we can only count from this side. This third term becomes my median. This is the case I have taken for odd number of observations. Now you can see for odd number of observation we got it from the data. 3 is there in given data. Sometimes you will see the median value will not be from the data. That's why I have written mean and median can be from outside the data, and mode is always from the data given. So let's take an example of even number of terms now. One, 2, 3, 7, 4, 5. Right? So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. So number of terms are 6. How I have got number of terms? I have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is my even number. For even number, the formula for median is n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 term upon 2. Now what is my first step? I have to arrange the data. So let's arrange the data. Arranging the data in ascending order. I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. Now you can see after arranging I have to find n by 2. What I have to find? N by 2. What is n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's find n by 2. My number of terms n is, this is my n. This is my n from the data. Now let's check n by 2. What is n by 2? Median. I am putting in this formula the value 6 upon 2. 6 upon 2 term plus 6 upon 2 plus 1 term upon 2. Now after putting it in the formula, this is my 6 upon 2 is what? 3. So this is third term. 3 plus 1 is fourth term. So this is third term plus fourth term upon 2. And the mistake committed is that you start adding 3 and 4. You are not adding 3 and 4. Now time to go back to the data. We go back to the data. We check the third term. We count from here. 1, 2, 3. What is my third term? 3. So I write 3. What is my next term? Fourth term? 4 upon 2. So you don't have to. So this is 3.5. So what is my median? Median is 3.5, and it is not there in the data. That's why we have written median can be from the data, median cannot be from the data. So I am repeating once again. Whenever you see the data, first step, arrange in order. You can use ascending order, you can use descending order. Next step, you count the number of terms. Odd number of terms, formula will be n plus 1 upon 2. After checking which term will be median, you go back to the data and pick up that term as the median. We have for even number of terms, this is for even number of terms. N by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1, that is the next term. Whatever you get here, you add the next term also, and after adding the terms and dividing by 2, you will get the median, which we have this. So first we arranged the data. We wrote n by 2, n by 2 plus 1. This came out to be third form. So next it will be fourth term. We go back to the data. In this question, exactly same numbers are there. They might be different in different questions. So you go back to the data, copy the third term, copy the fourth term, and this becomes your median for the data.